What's the meaning of convulsion? Convulsion. Convulsion.
Convulsion. Convulsion. Convulsion refers to a sudden, violent, and involuntary contraction or spasm of the muscles in the body. These spasms may result in jerky and uncontrolled movements, shaking, or twitching of the entire body or specific parts of it. Convulsions may be caused by a variety of underlying medical conditions, including epilepsy, fever, brain injury, infections, and drug overdoses. In some cases, convulsions can be life-threatening and require immediate medical attention to prevent further complications or permanent damage to the body.